Hello guys, this is Chiranjit and welcome to my channel Chiranjit Tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to text wrap in Adobe Illustrator. So you can type here as your customized text and then if, then I will go this option, make envelope, and make envelope option. I will choose make envelope option. Then first one is arc. You can see that this is automatically round and you can adjust here horizontally, vertically as you like. This is bend, you can edit here. You can customize here and can adjust. So this is the first option, arc, and second one, arc lower. You also can edit all option. Here you can see, and the third option is arc upper. So here is so many options, and I will choose flag. This is the flag option. So let's see here. You can adjust flag option as you can customize that very easily. And there is wave, face, rise, and so many options. You can edit here and you can change also. Twist horizontally, can bend this vertically. You can change all options and customize as you like. So this is the easiest way to wrap the text as you like. So many options here and you can edit. So thank you guys for watching the video.